Hello children, this is Class 4 GK Chapter 49. Shop wisely. Do you go for shopping with your parents? You must be careful when you go shopping. You must be aware of certain things before you buy something. So children, if you go for shopping with your parents or anyone, there are a few things that you should remember or you should be aware of. What are the things? So we are going to discuss these things in this chapter. When you buy any food products like biscuits, bread, chocolate, noodles, or even medicines, you must check the following. Following means the things that are written here just under it. What are the things that you should check before buying anything? So the things are price. You should surely see what is the price of the product. Next, date of manufacture. Manufacture means the time when the product was made. That date. And date of expiry or best before date. The date of expiry or best before date tells us what is the last date of using that product. If expiry date is nearby or it is just about to finish, do not buy such products. So these three things you should consider. First is price. You should not go for something very expensive. Second, date of manufacture means when that product is made. It should not be very old product. And date of expiry or best before date is very essential to know. When the product is going to be out of use, that date you should know. And if it is nearby date or if it is an expiry date has come, then what you should do? Leave that product and go for the next product which will have a later expiry date. Next, the product label contains information concerning the product. In case of a health drink or any food item, the label shows the following. So in all the products, there are a label where all the information about that product is given. What are the things that we can see there? That is net weight. Net weight means weight of the product when it was being packed. Next is ingredients. Ingredients means contained. That product what you are buying, that is made up of what things. They are called as the ingredients. Next is manufacturing company name. Which company has produced or manufactured the product? It is also written at the label that you can see, which is pointed with a finger. Nutrition facts means which nutrients are the component of the product and in how much quantity, where it is useful for you or it is harmful for you. All the things are written there. What is the quantity of each nutrient which is in the product that we are going to buy. Next is made in place. Name of the place where the product is made. It can be made in China, made in India, made in Japan. So you should have idea about the product where it is made. Okay. The next thing is, you see there is a picture which is black and white. You can see that some lines are drawn, and under the line a few numbers or digits are written. This is called as barcode. Barcode is a computer coding system that contains different lines or bars to identify products or check accounts. You must have seen in the shop or in shopping malls, while billing, the shopkeeper reads the barcode with a machine. That machine is called as barcode reader, and these lines are read by that machine, and they identify the code which is written in this. Next is hologram. This you can see, a hologram is used by some companies to maintain their identity. Means it is their symbol. It looks three-dimensional. So some companies make hologram on each of their product to show that it is made by them. And it is three-dimensional, means it can be seen from all three directions. There is length, breadth and height also of these hologram. This is 3D pictures. Then the next thing you can see is there are two colors, green and red color. These are symbol of type of product. This you can find in the things which are eatables mainly. Green color, under green color, VEG, veg written. And in the next picture, which is red in color, there you can see NONVEG, means non-veg. Okay, so these two words are written under the symbols. When you buy a product, do not forget to see the vegetarian or non-vegetarian sign on it. Green color represents vegetarian stuff, while brown or red sign represents non-vegetarian stuff. Yes, nowadays we see brown color also. Brown color is also sign to represent non-vegetarian products. So if you are a vegetarian, you should go for only the things or eatables which have green colored symbol on them. And if you eat vegetarian, you are vegetarian and non-vegetarian both, then you can go for any of them. After the explanation of all these symbols, here in page number 103, you have questions. See, a few pictures are given here related to some product. What you have to do? Visit a food store and fill in the information about Kellogg's Flakes. So you can see a poster of Kellogg's Flakes is given here, and everything is written. The poster, its nutritional facts and all extra informations what you should know about a product, everything is given here in the picture. And you have to see the picture, find out the answer and fill in all the blanks yourself.